In the previous video we have already started the triangle chapters, or in our previous video we have studied the introduction about the triangles. So we have classified the triangles on the basis of sides and the angles. So today our topic will be the difference between congruent figures and the similar figures. So in our class 10 syllabus, we have to study related to the similarity of triangles. But in the class 9 already you have studied about the congruent figures. So let's again recap what are congruent figures and the new what are similar figures we will be studying. So congruent figures means what? Two figures are said to be congruent if they have same shape as well as same size. Now you see here I have drawn two line segments. Here you see, if you see, their line segment measurement is 5 cm, here also 5 cm. They have the same shape as well as same size. So these kind of figures are called congruent figures. Or let's suppose, see, our both the hands, this also example of the congruent figures. See, if I place the one hand above the other, you will find that one hand can completely cover the other hand. So this is called one hand completely superimposing the other hand. So these kind of figures are called congruent figures. Let's suppose if you take the two 5 rupees coin whose maiden year has to be same. So if you place the one coin above the other, you will find that one coin will be completely covered by the other. So these kind of figures are called congruent figures. Same shape as well as same size. Whereas in case of similar figures, their shapes has to be same, but the sizes can be different. For example, here you see I have drawn the two line segments. Their shapes are same, but their sizes are different. One is 5 cm and one is 3 cm. Now, if I ask you to draw one circle in your notebook, so how you can draw? Let's suppose some of you may draw the circle like this, some of you may draw the circle like this, some of you may draw the circle like this, some of you may draw circle like this. You see, one similarity is there. All the shapes are same, circle, but their sizes are different. So these kind of figures are called similar figures. So in your syllabus, we have to study about the similarity of triangles. Okay. Now we will study if the two polygons are given, how can we say these polygons are similar or not? So see. So two polygons with same size, two polygons with same size are said to be similar if, say, two polygons, let's suppose if we have, for example, here I am drawing one polygon, okay? So all of you are familiar with this polygon, it is a square. Here if I draw another polygon. Okay, now let's suppose this polygon name is ABCD. This polygon name is PQRS. So in case of two polygons, if their corresponding angles are equal, then also we can say that two polygons are similar, or one more condition has to be satisfied. That is, their ratio of their corresponding sides has to be similar. Now, let's suppose if this is a square, then all the angles will be 90 degree, isn't it? Here also all the angles will be 90 degree. So we can say that all the corresponding angles, angle A is equal to angle P, we can say angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R, and angle D is equal to angle R. All the corresponding angles are equal. So two polygons are said to be similar if they satisfy two conditions. The first condition is that the corresponding angle should be similar, and the second condition is that the ratio of their corresponding sides has to be same. Now let's see how the ratio of the corresponding sides has to be same. Let's suppose AB is 2 cm, okay, and this PQ is, let's suppose, 4 cm. Let's suppose BC is 5 cm, QR is 10 cm, CD is, let's suppose, 3 centimeter. SR is, let's suppose, 6 centimeter. AD is, let's suppose, 8 centimeter. PS, let's suppose, 16 centimeter. Now, if we calculate the ratio of the corresponding sides, let's suppose, see, if we divide AB divided by PQ, how much will get? 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2, isn't it? Now, if we divide BC divided by QR, BC divided by QR, how much will get? 5 divided by 10, again 1 by 2, isn't it? If we divide CD divided by RS, CD divided by RS, what will get? 3 by 6, again 1 by 2. If we divide DA divided by SP, DA divided by SP, what will get? 8 by 16, again 1 by 2. So in this case, if you see, all the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. So from this, what we can conclude? This AB divided by PQ is equal to BC divided by QR is equal to CD divided by RS is equal to DA divided by SP. If these two conditions satisfy, then only we can say the given polygons are similar. What was the first condition? The first condition was that if the corresponding angles are equal, then we can say the given two polygons are equal. And what was the second condition? The ratio of their corresponding sides should be in proportion. So how proportion? So you can take like this, AB divided by PQ, and if you get the same values, ratio, if you getting the same, then they are polygons. And always remember that two polygons will be similar if both the conditions satisfies. If one condition satisfying, then that is not enough. Both the condition has to be satisfied. So from this, what we can say? Two polygons with same side are said to be similar if it satisfies the following two conditions. So what is the first condition I told? The corresponding angle should be same. The corresponding angles should be same. And what is the second one? The ratio of the corresponding sides should be proportional. So now you understood, no? When we can say that the two polygons are similar if both the condition satisfies. The first condition is that the corresponding angle should be same, and second condition is that what? The ratio of the corresponding sides should be proportional. Now with the help of one more example, these things make you clear to you. Okay. Now, for example, here I will draw one polygon. So this polygon, all of you are familiar with this polygon. Polygons having the 5 sides are called pentagon, isn't it? Now any name we can give. Let's suppose this one is A, B, C, D, E, and this one is P, Q, R, S, T. Now let's suppose this angle A is 70 degree. This one is, let's suppose, 70 degree. Angle B is 80 degree. Let's suppose this one is 80 degree. Let's suppose this one is 30 degree. This one is 30 degree, isn't it? Now let's suppose this one is 120 degree. This one is 120 degree. This one is, let's suppose 100 degree. This one is 100 degree. This one, for your just understanding, roughly I have given the angles value, okay. Though in case of pentagon, the sum of the all angles should be 540 degree. Just for your understanding only, roughly I have written the measurement of the angles, okay. Now let's suppose this AB is 2 centimeter, PQ is 4 centimeter, BC let's suppose 4 centimeter, this one is 8 centimeter. Let's suppose CD is 10 centimeter, TS is 20 centimeter. Let's suppose this one is 1 centimeter, this one is 2 centimeter, this one is, let's suppose 2.5 centimeter, this one is 5 centimeter. Now, whether this one is similar or not, how we can verify? So first we have to see their corresponding sides are equal or not. Now here you see that angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle R, that is 80 degree, angle C is equal to angle Q, then angle D is equal to angle S, and angle E is equal to angle T. So here you can see that the corresponding angles are, so already we have found that the corresponding angles are equal. So first condition is satisfied already, that we found in both the triangle the corresponding angles are equal. Now second condition has to be verified. Second condition was what? The ratio of their corresponding sides has to be same. So in this figure you can see, if 2 divided by 4 we will get 1 by 2, 4 divided by 8 we will get 1 by 2, 10 divided by 20 we will get 1 by 2, 1 divided by 2 we will get 1 by 2, 2.5 divided by 5 we will get 1 by 2. So we can see that the ratio of the corresponding sides are in proportion. So if you divide AB divided by PQ, we will get 1 by 2. If you divide BC divided by QR, you will get 1 by 2. If you divide ED divided by TS, ED divided by TS, we will get 1 by 2. Okay, ED. Then if we divide CD divided by RS, then also we will get 1 by 2. If we divide EA divided by TP, EA divided by TP, then also we will get 1 by 2. So if both the conditions satisfies, then only we can say that given polygons are similar. So in this video already we have studied about the similar figures and the congruent figures, the difference between similar figures and the congruent figures, and when we can say that the two polygons are similar. So in our next video we will study about the congruent similarity criteria. Thank you.